In the conversation about Chicago's public high schools, the 11 selective enrollment (SEHS) institutions often dominate the spotlight. But focusing only on them means overlooking a vast and vibrant universe of world-class programs where students find their passion, excel academically, and build incredible futures. A truly successful high school application strategy involves exploring all of your options. This guide will introduce you to the main categories of choice programs, showing you that a rewarding high school journey can take many different, exciting paths. As we've discussed, it's important to understand the difference between selective enrollment versus choice programs to build the best possible application list. What are choice programs? Choice programs is the broad term for any CPS high school or program that has a specific focus and requires an application through the GO-CPS portal. Unlike SEHS schools that rely solely on the 900-point admissions score, choice programs have a wide variety of admissions criteria. Here are the main categories: magnet schools and programs. These are often schools with a specific theme, such as STEM, fine arts, or humanities. Admission is typically conducted via a lottery system. However, students can often earn points in the lottery based on factors like grades, proximity to the school, and sometimes test scores, giving them a better chance of being selected. International Baccalaureate (IB) programs. The IB program is an internationally recognized, academically rigorous curriculum that emphasizes critical thinking, research, and global citizenship. Many excellent neighborhood and citywide high schools host IB programs, creating a school within a school environment that offers a level of rigor comparable to any SEHS. Career and Technical Education (CTE) programs. CTE programs are one of the most exciting and practical options available. These programs offer hands-on training and even industry certifications in high-demand fields like healthcare, information technology, culinary arts, engineering, and the skilled trades. They are a fantastic choice for students who want to graduate with both a diploma and real-world, career-ready skills. Military academies and service leadership academies. These schools offer a structured environment focused on leadership, citizenship, and personal responsibility through a JROTC framework. The role of the HSAT in choice admissions. While your HSAT score isn't the main event like it is for SEHS, it can still be a valuable asset. For many competitive magnet programs, a high score can award you crucial points in the admissions lottery, giving you a significant advantage. Furthermore, the skills built while preparing for the test, critical reading, mathematical reasoning, and time management, are essential for success in any rigorous program like IB or advanced CTE pathways. That's why working with CPS HSAT practice tests is still a smart strategy. A strong performance keeps more doors open across more types of schools. Why this matters for your application strategy. It is vital that you research and apply to a balanced list of both SEHS and choice programs. These excellent choice programs are often the schools you will be choosing from if you land on an HSAT waitlist for your top SEHS choice. You should approach your research into these programs with the same level of enthusiasm and seriousness. Success in the CPS application process is not a one-size-fits-all definition. By broadening your search beyond just selective enrollment, you aren't settling. You are opening yourself up to a world of amazing opportunities. Explore, research, and get excited about all the places your hard work can take you. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. To practice for the CPS HSAT, go to our website, cpshsat.com.